In this video I'm going to show you Creative Fabrica weekly discount deals. I'm on the main page of Creative Fabrica and you need to go straight on your right hand side on this button gifts. When you hover the mouse, it's going to open these two tabs, discount deals and daily gifts. Just click on discount deals and it's going to open all the discount deals, and here let's open the most popular. I will open these three. You can see the regular price is 17 and it's discounted just for $1. And just quick note, you can always sign up for free trial. Let me show you where was the page, and I will leave this link down below in the description. You can sign up for free trial and you've got 10 free downloads. You can decide it, let's say 10 bundles. You can choose your bundles, download it for free and use it forever. Just after these 10 downloads, the subscription will, the free trial will finish and you need to decide if you want to continue or not. If you don't want to continue, just unsubscribe because it's going to be charge you. But if you're going to renew your subscription, it's going to be with 70% discount. You can see on this page the regular price is $29 per month and the new renewal is going to be just $9 per month. And if you're going for yearly plan, it's going to be even more cheaper. It's going to be just $5 per month. But anyway, you don't need to do this. Just create your free trial, decide your 10 downloads, download them and use it forever. After that, unsubscribe and that's it. Just I want to make this quick note. Let's go straight to the video. Let's check this one. This is very nice font. I have subscription and I can download this font for free. You can check the font. Let's check this one. 200 breeds. Let's check what we've got. The next one is Winterwood one, PNG sublimation bundle. You can see 12 designs. You don't have pictures of the designs. You can see what they are offering. Let's close this one and go down. Funny Christmas speaking sublimation. This is Christmas font. I will go mainly for fonts and bundles. This is very nice font and you can see how it looks on different designs. Let's check this one. This one is, you can use it on t-shirt design, but you need to change it because even if it's print on demand license, you need to change it because you're not gonna be the only one that is gonna use this file. So let's check the fonts. This is Christmas bundle. This one is Thanksgiving bundle. Let's open the Christmas one as well. This one is very nice. You can use it for Christmas design. Yeah, this one is very cute also. This is mostly for t-shirts, or you can put this also on the mugs. Yes, but anyway, you need to change this. You can go for bundles. This is also Christmas. Cat lovers, this is probably font. I think I've got fonts of especially on this creator. Yes, it's very nice font. Let's check what we've got. This is monogram font. This font is very nice. And this magical vintage also is very nice. Yep, this one is very nice. I will download this and probably I will get the other one as well. This one is also good, but I like this one. It's very nice. And the regular price is $20 and you can get it just for $1. So alphabet A to Z, Christmas edition. This is also for t-shirt design. Very cute. This is nautical font. I think it's font, it's not. Yes, it's font. Mermaid font, Scary Night. This is for Halloween. And this is Christmas designs. This font is nice. This one you can use it on mugs or on t-shirts. Yep, they are very cute, and you can rearrange this very easy. Yes, very nice. Is it bundle? Yes, it's bundle. Rose Night, very nice font as well. And you can see you've got almost 6 more days on this deal. Oh, this font is very nice. Western Cowboy. Let's check this one and I'm going to wrap up the video. Yes, this font is very nice. Perfect. So let's repeat. When you're on the main page, you're going on gifts, discount deals, and here you can find all discounted deals for the week. You can decide that if you want some of those or you not. And as I mentioned, you can always create free trial and use your 10 free downloads. With that being said, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.